Welcome back to our NTA series. In our last video, we looked at custody providers and how the NTA requirement applies to these entities. In today's video, we will review ASIC's recent guidance on whether the NTA requirements are cumulative. As a reminder, ASIC recently released updated legislative instruments and updated its guidance in relation to Australian financial services licensees that provide services such as registered schemes, investor-directed portfolio services, corporate collective investment vehicles, and custody. So, are financial requirements cumulative? Given the number of financial requirements applicable to various types of licensees, it raises the question, are the financial requirements cumulative? ASIC has said that where the NTA requirement applies to a licensee under one legislative instrument, the licensee can count those assets for another applicable financial requirement. For example, the assets a licensee utilises to meet the NTA requirement can also be used to meet the surplus liquid funds requirement. But what happens if your licence is subject to two NTA requirements? In this case, the highest requirement applies, meaning the NTA requirements are not cumulative. For example, a custody provider is subject to the NTA requirement under ASIC Instrument 2023/648 and Appendix 4 of Regulatory Guide 166. However, the custody provider may also be subject to another NTA requirement under a different appendix of RG 166 and a different legislative instrument. In this case, the highest dollar value NTA requirement will apply. If the NTA requirement applies to you, or you think it might, we encourage you to review your NTA calculations, including the proportion which is held in cash or cash equivalents. For licensees which operate registered schemes, IDPSs, CCIVs, and provide custodial services and have not yet considered the NTA requirements, because the licensee is dormant or for some other reason, it's time to do so. ASIC will not look favourably on licensees to which the NTA requirement applies but have failed to meet this financial obligation. If you have any questions about today's video, head on over to our website where you can talk to a member of our team via our live chat service. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the next video